Hi guys, so today I'm going to start by outlining my face. So you want to get your hair out of the way, if you can. Okay, so I'm going to take this black paint. Okay, so now I take my white paint and I fill in my teeth with. So for the blue color, my lips are like stuck, so I use this Zola from the Masquerade palette. And now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. So she just uses black eyeshadow and then blue around it. So we're going to go ahead and do that. And the black that I've been using is black from the BH Cosmetics palette. This is the final look. The teeth are a little messy. This is the first time I've ever done a skull look. I hope you guys like it, and please drop a comment down below and let me know what you think and what I should do next. So please make sure to like and subscribe, and we're doing a giveaway at 200 followers. And if you want to be notified whenever I post a video, just click the bell button. Thanks guys.